Okay, so you see this guy on the wall? This is the name of the street right here. If you're curious. But what I like about this particular one, and I'm just gonna see all this stuff going on. Look at that kind of cool building right there too. And you got people kind of going up and down the street. I've always really liked this street anyways. So this street has a lot of character and style. But actually what I'm going to be focusing on is this thing on the wall right here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're going to get notified of other videos that I do. And you got people kind of going up and down the street. I've always really liked this street anyways. So this street has a lot of character and style. But actually what I'm going to be focusing on is this thing on the wall right here. And the reason I want to focus on this is, oops, sorry. This particular one, I'll step back if I can. And you see how he's against the wall? There's kind of a thing about spirits in Macau, and they hang on against the sides of the walls. So to see a spirit like that drawn into the wall that looks like a dead soldier from another era, it's really interesting. Do that again right there. So yeah, so you have other people walking by, but you got this artwork right there. It's beautiful. The symbolic meaning of it is beautiful. And then on the other wall that I just walked up in the last video, I'm going to go by that in a minute too. Also has some guys on the wall like that too. And I'll kind of explain the significance of that, but basically like a certain time of year, this kind of the hungry ghost time of year, and people feed the spirits and they put the little shrines against the wall, and there's kind of rumored that the spirits hug the wall. So like if you if you're aware of that, you don't want to walk too close to the walls because that's where the spirits walk. But anyways, that other one was so interesting that that's placed in that spot. So, okay. Let's just see if we can find that, okay? Sorry. Actually, let's get this film. It's kind of interesting. This is what people are wearing right now in the summertime. So, and there's a friend, I think. Those are friends. I think those are other ones also wearing something similar. So, I don't know, summertime attire. But we also, I want to go down this alley right here. This alley has more of these spirits like that. It's a pretty cool haircut too, hairstyle. So here's some more. So like these also look really dated, right? Like this one is actually bones, skeletal bones, and this one is like another one like that other one on the other side. The other was like a soldier. This one looks like 1920s, you know, Charlie Chaplin era kind of stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'll just show you. So the other video recently was this big couch back here. So I'll just kind of zoom in on that real quick, and there's that shrine. If you're curious to see those in the video and what I do in this alley, basically talk about it, you should be able to find it probably attached to this link because I'm filming these on the same day. So okay. So a little bit more of Macau. I hope you like this. Some interesting stuff as always, like there always is in Macau. So make sure that you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. If you want to see more of Macau, I'll make some recommendations too, and I'll film more things as well. So okay, that's basically it. I'm gonna end it right.